Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Ignite, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch. Before we start, if you want to factory reset this watch, you will need a couple of things. First thing you will need is to have an access to a working computer. Next thing you will need is to have the charging cable that was provided with your watch, so you can use it to plug the watch to the computer. And last thing you will need is to have an access to an internet, so you can download and install the required application. Once you have all of these things, we can continue. Now, go to your computer, open the web browser on it. As you can see, I opened the Chrome browser, but it can be any type of browser. In the browser, tap on the search and type in flow.polar.com/start and press enter. It should redirect you to this page right here. If you can't find this page for some reason, you can also type in Google and search Polar Flow download, and it should redirect you to Polar Flow start. You can click on it, get started, and you should open this page. Okay, once you open this page, you should see two buttons: download for Windows and download for Mac. Depending on which kind of system you're using, you need to download the correct version. I'm using the Windows, so I'm gonna download the application for Windows. So I'm gonna click download for Windows, and as you can see, the application is downloading right now. And once it's done, you can click on it right here on this pop-up, or open the folder where the application downloaded, and you can double click on it to open the installation. Once the installation opens, you should see this window. You can click on accept, then click next. Here we can select the path in which we want to install the application. You can click on browse and select the path. Basically, you can select the folder in which you want to install this application. I'm gonna install the application in the default folder, so I'm gonna click next and wait until it's done installing. After the application is done installing, you can check or uncheck the option to launch the Polar Flow Sync. I want to launch it, so I'm gonna check this box and then click finish. Okay, now the application opened, as you can see. Let's wait a couple of seconds for it to load. And once it's done loading, you should see this on the screen. Now, take the charging cable that was provided with your watch. Grab this end that you plug to the watch, and you need to plug your watch to this end of the cable. Basically, you need to align the red lines on the watch and on the charger. So let's align them. It should go something like this. Place the watch like that. Then grab the second end of the cable and plug it to a computer like this. The watch should start charging, and also after a couple of seconds the app should detect your watch. So let's wait. And as you can see, the app detected our watch. Now it's syncing the settings from the watch. You can wait until this process is complete. Okay, once the syncing process is complete, it might open the Polar Flow page in the browser, but we don't care about that. Go back to the application, and here click on the settings icon right here. Then click on the factory reset button. And once you get the pop-up right here about the confirming, click on yes to confirm and start the resetting process. And now the watch is being reset to the factory default settings. Remember to not unplug the watch until the factory reset process is complete. So wait and do not unplug the watch. And once you get the message factory reset is done in the application, you can unplug the watch. And you should see the list of languages on your watch. This means that the factory reset is complete. And now you can close the application. And basically that's it. That's how you factory reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.